Hi and welcome back. This is just a quick update to let you know what happened to me today. I was out flying my Neo local to where I live, and the point of the video was to show the difference between the cinematic pro settings and the automated settings. So it's a lovely bright sunny day. There's no wind, there was no birds in the sky. So I took the drone up to approximately 18-90 meters towards a brick tower, which is 170 odd years old. And the idea was to lock onto that and just film it doing a point of view. I tried to lock on and I had a message coming up saying identity subject failed, select static subject with a textured surface. Now obviously this is a big tower, it's not moving, it's brick, it's static, it's very textured, it's not going anywhere. So the drone wouldn't lock onto it, and the next thing, it did a flyaway and it flew off to the left. Now unfortunately, behind me there's an old not dried up docks, but there's an old docks which is now flooded, overgrown with trees, bushes, brambles, that sort of thing. So effectively I've lost my drone. It flew across these bushes, landed in a tree which is impossible to get to. So I just wanted to share that with you, the fact that flyaways do happen even when you've got the best weather conditions. You've got fully coverage with the satellites. Like I said, I had 27, I think it is, on the video. And there was no other reason other than, I'm guessing, for faulty software. The IMU was calibrated, the compass was calibrated, which I do before all my flights. So I can't see any reason other than software error. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. I'll pop the video up now at the end so you can see that as well. And that's it really. So if you do find it useful, give us the thumbs up and like. God knows I need the subscriptions now so I can eventually get monetized and buy a new drone. So until then, I'll catch you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.